In this video, I will show you how to add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, Google Chrome is of course a great internet browser, and adding a shortcut just is a quick way to open and access Google Chrome. To get started, from your desktop, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type Google Chrome, and then you should see Google Chrome come up underneath Best Match. What you want to do is right click onto Google Chrome, and on this menu that comes up, click onto Open File Location. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here it should automatically highlight the Google Chrome shortcut. What you can do from here is right click onto the Google Chrome shortcut, come down and click onto copy. Then all you need to do is come back to your desktop, right click onto a blank space off your desktop and click the paste icon at the bottom. As you can see, that's going to add a Google Chrome shortcut, and we can double click this to quickly open and access our Google Chrome browser. So that's how to add Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.